Hello everyone, this is Pushkar from TechBee and here is the quick setup video of TechBee Weaver. TechBee Weaver comes with industrial grade rails which enhances its printing quality. It contains a heated bed which provides another factor of better printing quality. TechBee Weaver comes with the build volume of 200 mm length, 200 mm width and 200 mm height, which means you can print a huge model with TechBee Weaver. So friends, let's start the printing. Plug in the power cable and switch on the power supply. Insert the filament. At last, put the 3D file and start the printing. So that's how you can print anything with the help of TechBee Weaver.